Hello, today we're going to talk a little bit about how to create this walk chart or floating bar chart. What you're looking at here is multiple data series. There's one for the blue, another for the green or the growth, another for the red or the reduction items, another for the gray bar, which is the gap, and then there's another hidden bar, which is the key to it all. Is the gap. As you can see, these are all stacking bars. This is how I set up my data. The different bars are labeled here. Each column represents a bar. Here's my 5 data series that you saw on the chart. And then this last one, running total, this is just kind of a helper row to make sure that I am at the right starting point for the blank. Because this gap, or this blank line, is going to be really the calculation is the real key to making this all work. And the way this works is you take the previous total. Now this is the top of the colors, okay? So what you really want to do is you want to get to this 100 number, because that's where your starting point really is. So you take your running total and any reductions that should have occurred right here, and then any reductions that you're going to have this time, so that, because if it's multiple red sections are going to be stepping down, so you want to make sure that the blank bar steps down as well. That's the same formula all the way across. The other key is this gap. You're looking at the blank, where was the bottom last time, plus any growth in the previous column, and you want the top of that growth, and then you subtract that from your goal. The reason it doesn't work to take this running total is because the running total, if you've got this reduction line, this refers to the top of the red bar, and you actually want the bottom of the red bar if this is a negative in this case. Now to create the chart, highlight all the columns, highlight all of the 5 rows. You don't need the running total, that'll actually screw you up. Under insert, come under bar chart, you want the bar chart here. Now you'll see that you've got the blank section is in the wrong place. So you select the data, select the blank series, you move it up until it's the bottom series of everything. Click OK. Under fill, you click no fill. Under outline, no outline, and there's basically your chart. I've gone in and I've changed this to green to represent any of the growth. You may have a different color scheme that you like to use. Gray, just because to imply that there's nothing. And I usually like a darker color on the ends. And there you go. Probably don't want, so you select that, click delete, and you're ready to go. What I like about this, because of the way it's set up, it's very dynamic. You can insert another column, copy the formulas over, add in newspaper, and maybe that was a growth of 15, and your charts automatically update. Or maybe it was really bad and your charts automatically update. So you can have these linked to other cells as well.